In less than 10 minutes, this short presentation provides a simple demonstration on how to create a best buy calculator with a Microsoft Excel spreadsheet. We will use the cost per unit method, which is the cost of the product divided by the number of units, and results will determine how much we are paying for 1 unit of the product. The product with the lowest result is more cost effective and a better buy. We will use the following 2 examples, example 1 and example 2, to build our best buy calculator. Let's get started. For example 1, we will determine whether the supersized laundry detergent or the original size laundry detergent is more cost effective and the best buy. The supersized laundry detergent is 154 fluid ounces and costs $14.76, and the original size laundry detergent is 129 fluid ounces and costs $9.19. The answer is that the original size laundry detergent is the best buy. Using the cost per unit method, we find that with the supersized laundry detergent, $14.76 divided by 154 fluid ounces equals 10 cents per fluid ounce, while for the original size laundry detergent, $9.19 divided by 129 fluid ounces equals 7 cents per fluid ounce. 7 cents is less than 10 cents, hence the original size laundry detergent is more cost effective and the best buy. For example 2, we will determine whether orange cereal or blue cereal is more cost effective and the best buy. The orange cereal is 16.9 ounces and costs $3.77, and the blue cereal is 11.7 ounces and costs $3.15. The answer is orange cereal is the best buy. Using the cost per unit method, we found that with the orange cereal, $3.77 divided by 16.9 ounces equals 22 cents per ounce, while for the blue cereal, $3.15 divided by 11.7 ounces equals 27 cents per ounce. 22 cents is less than 27 cents, hence orange cereal is more cost effective and the best buy. Now, it's time to create our best buy calculator with a Microsoft Excel spreadsheet. With cell C6 as our initial point cell, first let's set and highlight our borders and set our column width to 35. Now, let's enter our best buy calculator information, which includes the name of our calculator, labels, the cost of our items, and unit information. Now, let's format our cost, unit, and total cells to 2 decimal places and then center our cells. Now, we will color code our cells. Blue for the basic information cells, yellow for the data input cells, specifically the cost and the units, and green for the formula cells, where we will input our division and if statement formulas. The color code reminds us that we can make changes to the blue and yellow cells, but the green cells should be left alone because they are the formula cells. Now, in cell B5, we replicate the cost per unit equation with the displayed Excel division formula and divide the cost of $14.76 in cell B3 by the unit 154 fluid ounces in cell B4 to give us a result of 10 cents per fluid ounce. And we do the same in cell C5 with the displayed Excel division formula and divide the cost of $9.19 in cell C3 by the units of 129 fluid ounces in cell C4 to give us a result of 7 cents per fluid ounce. Now, in cell B6, we enter the displayed Excel if statement formula, which calculates if B5 is less than C5 the first argument, yes, will be chosen, but if B5 is greater than or equal to C5, the second argument, no, will be chosen. But because B5, which is 0.1, is greater than C5, which is 0.07, the formula chose the second argument, which is no. And now replicate in cell C6 with the displayed Excel if statement formula, which calculates if C5 is less than B5, the first argument, yes, will be chosen. But if C5 is greater than or equal to B5, the second argument, no, will be chosen. But because C5, which is 0.07, is less than B5, which is 0.1, the formula chose the first argument, which is yes. At this point, the best buy calculator for example 1 is complete, and we will now construct a calculator for example 2. First, highlight the example 1 calculator and copy and paste below to cell 9 alpha. Change the name of the calculator to example 2. Change the names to orange cereal and blue cereal. Change the units from fluid ounces to ounces and input the example 2 cost and unit data. But do not change the equations in the green cells, and note how the formulas automatically update and calculate with new data. This concludes this presentation on how to create a best buy calculator with a Microsoft Excel spreadsheet by using the cost per unit method. Thank you for watching this presentation, and if you found any of this information to be useful, please consider subscribing to this channel.